riding on the E-way, trying to get this money. My brother laughing at me. He like, nigga, you a dummy. I said, nigga, I can't be broke. I can't be out here looking bummy. I said, I'm been high walking around like a mummy. I ain't got no sleep. Now I'm feeling like a zombie. A nigga fuck with me, I'ma turn him to a zombie. That mean he stop breathing. I'ma hit him with that weapon. My nigga, I got the pistol now, nigga straight flexing. Back to the story, trying to teach your ass a lesson each day, nigga. This shit is a blessing. But these niggas out here, boy, they got them deadly weapons. If you fucking around with them, they'll leave your ass messy. Niggas shoot you in your head, don't think twice about you. Young niggas shoot you in your mouth, won't think twice about you. My brother said, nigga, I don't give a fuck about you. I said, you bullshit. He said, nigga, you know I got you. I said, real shit, this a stone cold world. He said, young nigga, I'm about to have a little girl. I said, goddamn, I'm about to have a little boy. He said, young nigga, we ain't no fucking little boy. We some grown mans, gotta put on for our fam. Now we got fans, gotta put on for our fans. Real nigga shit, boy, we hopping out the vans. If you got that money, boy, we gonna leave you where you land. And I don't give a fuck. Now I'm riding with my nigga. My young nigga said he down to fucking pull the trigger. Monster ass nigga, so I call him Godzilla. Real nigga shit, I don't see nobody realer. These niggas dissing us, but to tell the truth, I don't feel them. I call up them 60s, boy, them niggas gon' kill them. Call up them 60s, boy, them niggas gon' get them. Boy, you better chill out for them niggas come hit you. Them niggas come split you. I swear they ain't gon' miss you. Got a freak bitchin', but she ain't coming to kiss you. She gon' blow you off, and I ain't talking about your dick, but she got the AK and she gon' aim it at your dick. God damn, nigga, boy, this shit is so crazy. I'm making a little money now. I'm feeling so amazing. Smoking on the weed now. I'm feeling kinda lazy. I ain't a white boy, but a nigga kinda shady. Nigga out here trying to take care of my brother. He trying to take care of me, boy. Shit is cold summer. 92 degrees, but I'm still feeling cold. 100,000 bricks packed up, shipped and sold. Now I got this money trying to buy me some gold. Now I got this money trying to buy me some hoe. Got this money trying to buy me some choppers. Gotta get the bullets. Now I'm hotter than some lava. Now my brother getting mad. He said he ain't got no money. I said, me either, boy. This shit ain't even funny. He said, young nigga, what we fuck we gon' do? I said, young nigga, my baby needs some new shoes. That nigga said, goddamn, nigga, mine too. I said, goddamn, what the fuck we gon' do? He said, nigga, street shit ain't got no rule. Come to my house and be dressed in black and blue. So now we all deep in the fucking backyard. He said, young nigga, we finna run up on the squad. I said, which one? He said, them fuck niggas over there. I said, where? Them fuck niggas over there. I said, where? He said, look, but don't stir. So I seen a rich nigga sitting on the chair. Fresh J, Levi's, and some truck fit. I said, damn, nigga. Fuck it. So we gonna run up over there and we gonna rob their ass. He said, yeah, nigga. And we gonna blast their ass. I said 187. He said, damn right. He said, young nigga, don't bitch out on me tonight. I said, I got you, nigga. You my motherfucking brother. If you going, then I'm going cause you my fucking brother. He said, yeah, nigga, that's the shit I like to hear. This nigga chain looking like a fucking chandelier. Put up on my mat, he put on hill. Now we chillin' over there on the top of the hill. I just can't wait, I'ma heat him like a grill. I said, this gangsta shit just give me the chill. So my brother ran up with the big tech. Pow, pow, man down just for his respect. So I ran up on the bitch, shot her in the chest. And then I ran up on the nigga, shot him in the chin. Then this nigga ran out, so I shot him. Then the nigga ran out, then I got him. And then the nigga shot me in my fucking shoulder. Walked in the room, I was bleeding over. Now my brother in there with the jewelry. He said, damn, look at all this jewelry. I said, come on, nigga, my vision getting blurry. He said, what happened? I said, this nigga just shot me. He said, damn, now he cocked his 4-5. He ran on a nigga, shot him in between the eye. He said, you shot my brother, nah, nigga, you gotta die. Ran up on another nigga, shot him in the thigh. He fucking missed. His aim went on point. He said, goddamn, what the fuck is going on? So we shot him in the dress, shot the bitch in the head, then he ran up in the room, then he snatched all the bread. Now we in the South trying to count all this money. Next thing you know, boy, we hear them drop the drum. Yeah, we hear them choppers busting, then we hear them text thinking. Next thing you know, boy, my ears started ringing. I said, God damn, gotta get out of here. He said, nigga, you right, where the fuck we gonna go? I don't give a fuck, nigga. I don't really know, but all I know is I don't want to go to Coke. He said, let's go to Mexico. I said, damn right. Book a Southwest, nigga, first fucking flight. He said, hell yeah, boy, but this a lot of money. This 900,000, boy, almost a button. I said, God damn, so we gotta get to walking. He said, hell no, boy, they gonna be white chalking. I said, let's get it, nigga, push the fucking thing. I said, young nigga, he ain't nothing but a thing. I caught a young nigga, he was driving in the rain, put the chopper to the head, then I shot him in his brain, so I kicked him out the car, then I whipped him to the house. I said, Trey, get your ass out the house. He ran out there and threw the money in the bag, and now I'm just chilling, trying to drill with my gat, trying to make it to the border with all these fucking racks. He said, young nigga, we in that sack. I got 100,000, so what's good now? He said, young nigga, something else stood now. We almost got a meal now. We gotta get a deal. He said, young nigga, we gonna hit him with the steel. I said, we almost there, nigga. Almost in Mexico. I'm trying to fuck me a bad bitch in Mexico. He said, damn, nigga, up in Mexico. He said, damn, nigga, we up in Mexico.